in our own words in the form of paragraph, and we give the reference of the article from which we have taken that idea.
Yes, it means when you give the reference in that paragraph, it means that you acknowledge that a paragraph from with the help of that reference which you give, right? So there is no any problem of the copyrights. But if you rewrite the paragraph from the articles but you did not give the reference in the literature review, it means that there is a problem of a copyrights. Okay,
Yes, sir.
if you get idea from the article, but if you did not mention that reference, so it means it is a plagiarism.
Okay, sir.
But and then we talk about the models. In the literature review there is no methodology section. In literature review there is no methodology section. There is like when we're writing a review
Click on this
article.
link and you will
Sorry.
directly join the class. No need to enter some IDs or password. Click on this link.
Okay, when you're writing a review article, it means that you no need implementation. You just reading the work of others people and make your own logic to write in your own word. But when you complete that article, it's give you a one complete understanding or one complete new idea about that topic, right? That's what we do in the literature review. But we say that if we will not if we will not go for literature review, we cannot understand the topic and we cannot fulfill the gaps or the deficiency that in that topics we already have it, right? So it is we also discuss about the types of literature review. We say systematic one and there is a meta-analysis one, but we say we are in the applied research, so we are doing the literature review on the basis of your problem statement. In the previous classes I told you that the problem statement which you highlight one or two factors that you like to work on it, but in the literature review now you are explaining that gap with the help of others articles, that how you can improve that, how is it work. That's what we do actually. If you're writing a literature review and you are not referencing, right, it means that it is not a good literature review or it is not a good article. To write the good literature review you need to add too many references in it as much as you can. That what it would be very better for a literature review. Okay, anyone who have any problem till now in the lectures for understanding? And what about the midterm? Are you people are clear about the midterm?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are clear about the midterm. Like we have to submit our progress of project, and
No,
it will
no,
consume
it's
money.
not. I will give you the list of the questions that would be based on your project. For example, I can ask you to draw the thematic model for your project. Maybe I ask you that how you develop the problem statement for your project. How do you choose the right the necessary step that you follow for writing it, for choosing the title, in how you are
Okay.
using the thematic model, or why we don't need the methodology in the literature review. Such kind of a question that we require to have in literature review.
Yeah, sure, sir. Now we are clear.
So are you people are also clear about the assignment?
Yes, sir.
In
Sir,
also about
the
the
second assignment was to read a lecture. How was that?
Google
How
Classroom.
are we supposed to submit that assignment?
Google Classroom gives us another one.
you need to submit by email to me. That's the very simple solution for everything.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So anyone who can tell me what is literature review?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Basically, literature review is reading multiple articles from different sources and writing them in your own words in the form of paragraph, and also giving the reference like where we have taken that idea from. This is
Okay,
literature review.
and you know what is the structure of literature review? Who will tell me about it? How many parts we have in literature review or the review article? Who will answer me?
So there are three
Sir,
parts,
meta-analysis.
4 parts:
One by
introduction,
one.
body, discussion, conclusion.
Okay, Sarah, why we don't have a methodology in research article? Can you answer me for that?
No, sir.
Why we don't have the methodology section in literature review or in a review article? Who want to answer me?
Sir, different authors have different opinion and
Okay.
right. With the help of it, you write it on opinion.
Yes, it's true that you know in literature review or in review article you are
हेलो सर
you
आवाज आ
are
रही है मेरी हेलो
yes
हेलो हेलो आवाज आ रही है
yes
हेलो ओके सर
Hello.
सर आप ये लेक्चर कब शेयर करेंगे?
I already shared the slides.
नहीं सर, ये
सर
रिकॉर्ड
ये
आपकी समझ नहीं आ रही सर।
सर ये क्लास सेक्शन बी की है, इसमें सेक्शन ए के बच्चे भी हैं।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।
Please do not join the group without the full name because I will not allow anyone to stay in the group if it's not with the full name. I'm saying again, come with your full name if you want to join my class. I will not allow you with any nickname in this group. Okay, who will tell me that our course is research methodology, then why we focus literature review too much? Who will answer me? Anyone from the group who can answer me? Yes, Numan.
नो सर
Anyone else?
सर क्योंकि हमारा फोकस जो है वो अप्लाइड रिसर्च पे है।
Okay, it's true. Okay, we are focused on applied research, right? In which we have a question and we are finding out the solution for it, right? That's what we do. Please, those who are joining me late, please just only join, just
एक
join me.
बंदा बोलो जीने में
यार सब लोग खामोश हो जाओ ना।
One by one. Muhammad Asad, right? You want to join again to this class? You are not joining your image processing class?
सर वो कैंसिल हो गई है सर।
सर कैंसिल नहीं हुई है सर, आप टाइम चेंज कर दें। वो क्लास होगी 12 बजे वेडनेसडे और थर्सडे को।
That is class for section B, not is for A.
गेट लॉस्ट
क्लास इज फॉर सेक्शन बी।
ओ सॉरी सर, सॉरी, गलत क्लास में आ गए हैं यार हम लोग।
सेक्शन ए जाओ।
चलो यार खैर है, बैठ जाओ यार, थोड़ा पढ़ बोरिंग हो रहा है।
कोई नहीं यार, खैर है, कोई कुछ नहीं होता।
Okay, let's come back to the lecture, right? So I have one more question. What is the link between problem statement and literature review? Who will answer me?
उमर जवेल, बारिश हो रही है, मंजी अंदर कर लो।
Who will answer me what is different between, what is the connection between or link between problem statement and literature review? Anyone from the group? Yes? Tahreem, you want to answer?
सर प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट जो होता है वो एक इशू होता है जो एड्रेस करते हैं हम।
Okay. And what is linked with problem literature review?
सर
सर मल्टीपल प्रॉब्लम्स को कहते हैं हम।
Yeah,
Gather or
date.
सर लिटरेचर रिव्यू तो पेपर स्कॉलरी पेपर होता है ना,
Yeah, but you know,
जिसके अंदर कोई भी नॉलेज होती है.
But you know, literature review shows that in how many ways you can have a look at that one problem, in how many different people have a look at that problem from a different angles, in what you are gonna to introduce them a new solution to that problem. Clear?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Many ways to solve.
Who said no?
Sir, I am not clear. Sir, I am. Tayyib Numan.
Okay, Toyab, you know, literature review actually it means that we have a one problem and there is a different discussion about people on about that one problem from different angle, from different perspectives, right? When you read
Yes,
it,
sir.
when you read all these problem which is given by different people, then what you think about it? That your own opinion about that problem is your own literature review.
Sir, can you, sir, आप हमें शो करा सकते हैं कोई सैंपल हो इसका लिटरेचर रिव्यू का?
Yes, in the tomorrow lecture, I will show you the complete sample and everything, how to write it and how to do that. That I will do in the tomorrow class. Try to don't miss the class tomorrow. Because
Sir, किस टाइम?
the today lecture,
सर टाइम क्या होगा उसका?
anyone else who have a who want to ask me something about literature review?
सर कल क्लास का टाइम क्या होगा?
It's the same as the timetable. It's already mentioned in the group. I already updated in the Google Classroom.
सर टाइप्स बता दें लिटरेचर रिव्यू की.
It is 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock.
और सर
same
हमको
time.
सर एक तो टाइप्स बता दें लिटरेचर रिव्यू की और दूसरा ये बता दें कि
बता
हम
रहे
कौन
हैं
सा
सर.
कंडक्ट करेंगे.
You know, for the type is we talk about the survey article, we talk about review article as well, right? But there is systematic review article as well. But we will go for the normal literature review or review article, which is based on systematic model, not on the chronological model, right? There is two approaches that we do for producing the for the literature review, right? Please, I will not allow anyone in the group without the name. Please do not join the group without full name because it's useless to join the group. I will not allow anyone in the group without the...
सर तो मेटा एनालिसिस एंड सर्वे आर्टिकल ये दोनों क्या चीजें हैं?
You know, these both are the models that we approach, that we are using how to develop your literature review.
Okay.
So how you do that? For that we required that how you develop your literature review. You know, you have to go for the reasoning, arguments, and evidence to complete your literature review by giving the citation of a different articles. For that we have two models, right? The one is chronological, which you are give on the basis of the publication date. In the thematic one, which is the decomposition of the main topic into subtopic, which you are trying to together to develop a one new framework, a new idea for to the user, right?
सर प्लीज थोड़ा ऊंचा बोल रहे हैं.
Okay.
सर उर्दू में भी यूज कर लेना थोड़ा सी.
Okay. Till now, so you people are clear about the literature review. Actually, what is the purpose of doing a literature review?
शाम को देख.
सर कोई प्लीज मूवी लगा दे सर.
We are in the class at the moment, right? Please be professional.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, how do we write literature review?
How we will write the literature review, right? So you need to read the articles which you choose regarding to your topic, and then you write the summary of each article, and then you need to link together all the paragraph together.
सर लिटरेचर रिव्यू अब बड़ा होना चाहिए छोटा होना चाहिए?
It should be the minimum. It should be 14 pages minimum.
ठीक होगा.
You know
पर्पस बता दें इसका लिटरेचर
what? Say it again, please.
पर्पस लिटरेचर रिव्यू का
The patron. The patron. The patron I will show you in the next class.
जावी
We have-
आवाज आ रही है. जावी आओ पबजी खेलें.
सब पर्पस बैटरी
God यार God.
Yes, Sarah. What you trying to ask me?
सब पर्पस लिटरेचर रिव्यू का
Say it again, please. Sorry, there is noise at the background.
सब पर्पस क्या है लिटरेचर रिव्यू का
Oh, okay. You know, we do the literature review to find out the gaps that how we can improve the work of the existing article, existing authors. That's what we do here. You know, it give for the readers, the literature review or review articles give you understanding to the readers that how you can complete understand the article, and to the for the writers it helps the writers to find out the gap that where you can make more improvement in it. That's what we normally do. The main purpose of doing the literature review. Clear?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, I have a question, sir. ये literature review के slides में abstract है, sir. Please इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बता दें.
Yeah, abstract that I will explain you tomorrow. But normally, abstract consists of 3 parts. The one is input.
Sir, what will you explain today?
Because we're already doing the literature review discussion, and we already have a look at the literature review types, in which see the models that you need to embed in the literature review. But normally the abstract consists of 3 parts: input, processing, and output. But we are doing a literature review, it's don't have processing. So you will write the methodology or the approach that you are using, that how you are that how you are arranging the data in your article.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
सर जानो का टाइम है 15 मिनट की ब्रेक दे दें.
Anyone else who they have a questions to ask me?
सर जो भी क्वेश्चन आप मारो पे ले जाते हैं
सर.
Because we already yes Terim, what?
सर ये असाइनमेंट जो आपने दूसरी की है सर वो दूसरी असाइनमेंट थी.
One by one, please.
One by one बोलो ना.
Sources and secondary sources. There is also in literature review.
You can for the sources you can use the book, you can use the research article, you can use any source which is authentic, you can use as a source for the literature.
Sir, I have a very interesting
Sir, a question है sir.
Yes.
अदील बोलो.
सर क्वेश्चन ये है कि जो भी आपने लिटरेचर रिव्यू के बारे में बताया सर एक बार रिपीट कर दें, हमने क्लास थोड़ा लेट ज्वाइन की है.
Okay. In the next question, I will repeat in the last 5 minutes.
Sir, papers किस तरह हम देंगे मतलब कि online?
Paper will be based on the project, what you are doing, how you will apply the different models, how you are producing a problem statement, and how you writing the titles. Such kind of the question would be there, which is based on your project.
सर तो आपने प्रोजेक्ट देना है सर पेपर की जगह, और ये जो असाइनमेंट हमने दी है ये भी सर काउंट होगी कि नहीं होगी?
Assignment have a different weightage, but midterm is based on the project, but that is not the part of the project. Clear? There will be questions regarding the project in the midterm.
Okay, sir.
Project कब जमा कराना?
I already write in the Google Classroom about it, right? You can have a look that it is before the midterm. You can submit me the phase 1 of your project, which have
okay, sir.
which have a 10 credit marks, right?
Sir, ये in the form of group है ना sir?
Yes, it is in the group. But
तो सर इस हिसाब से तो ग्रुप मेंबर्स होंगे उनका ग्रेड एक ही होगा ना?
It's depend on
क्या
the
क्या होएगा उसके अंदर?
we will be have a presentation as well, so you can have a look how you are presenting your work. There will be a viva, so I hope it can be the same if you perform the same.
Sir, can you give a sample of phase one?
One by one.
सर कल जो मीटिंग हुई है तो सर आपने उसमें सजेशन ही दिया कि हमें ब्रेक दे दे और लाइक समर वेकेशंस हमें ना दें, क्योंकि सर ये बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है.
Actually, I'm not in the administration, so I cannot answer for that, but I can forward your query and answer you in the next meeting. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Because I can only answer you for your lecture. But I
क्योंकि
just
हम एक या दो सब्जेक्ट खुद से कर सकते हैं, सारे सब्जेक्ट्स उन्होंने कहा खुद ही करो, तो हम वो सब खुद से तो नहीं पढ़ सकते हैं ना.
But I'm already responsible for research methodology and I'm trying to doing my best to accommodate you for that course.
सर हर बंदा अपनी सोच रहा है सर जी, कोई स्टूडेंट्स का नहीं सोच रहा इधर.
Okay, I will have a look on it. I will follow you. I will forward your query, so don't worry about that.
सर
Yes.
फॉरवर्ड करेंगे तो हमारी तो हो जाए.
सर फेज 1 में आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं प्रोजेक्ट के लिए?
You need to you need to apply the model, any one of the model that you are working.
You need to.
Sir, can you give an example of phase one project?
Example of phase one, it includes your title, problem statement, and your literature review.
Sir, can you provide us with any sort of a sample?
Yes, I will give you this tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow.
सर कितनी क्लासेस होंगे वीक में?
We have one more class.
And sir, please inform us about hour or 2 hours before taking the class.
But we are already follow as per the timetable. What's the point to inform you? Can you please? We just follow the regular timetable. So how I can inform you in advance?
Excuse me, sir.
सर जॉर्जियो में 50% लूट कम कर दी गई है.
Okay.
सर मेरी बात सुन लें सर जी प्लीज.
सर मंडे वेडनेसडे को आपने क्या कल तो
बोल
सर आपने क्लास रखा मंडे वेडनेसडे को.
Please don't make panic, right? One by one, then it's okay. Why you are wasting your time and do not give time other to speak? Please go one by one.
Okay, sir.
Very stylish English.
Okay.
इंटरनेट का प्रॉब्लम है शायद.
What?
सर वो अच्छा से तो
शायद इंटरनेट का प्रॉब्लम है सर.
लॉक कर दें.
इंटरनेट का प्रॉब्लम है शायद.
सर ऐसा तो लॉक कर दें सर.
Okay. We are almost. We will have a look this. That what we study in the today lecture, right? We just follow the what is literature review, what is purpose, what are the type of.
Yes, sir. Give us review, sir.
What is the type of literature review, and we will we just have a look at what are the models that we can follow for writing the literature review, right? So, but for the tomorrow, I will share for the tomorrow. I will share that what is the template that we follow the literature review, right? And we will have a look at what is the body and what you are need to submit me as a semester based project work. So
सर वो एक स्टूडेंट की गुजारिश है सर जी, मेरी भी सुन लें, मैं काफी देर से बोल रहा हूँ.
Okay.
सर वो अच्छा सईद है सर, आपने उनको ब्लॉक कर दिया सर. वो बार-बार उनकी मुझे कॉल्स आ रही हैं, वो कह रहे हैं सर से को मुझे ऐड कर.
But if you are making like the activity which is very
नहीं सर वो अच्छा बंदा, शरीफ बंदा.
Okay, we can have a look on it. You can join me in the next class. So we have just like 3 to 4 minutes for wind up the class. So just I would say that we discussed about literature review, its purpose, types. That we just have a look the model that we require to follow for the literature review, right? So in the next class, we will see the template that we follow for literature review, and we will see how to write the abstract, and we will see the rest of the body of the literature review that we are trying to working on it, right? So the interesting thing is that I will not allow the student to talk about it. I will only speak one way. And if you have any question, better to write me in the text. That would be more acceptable for me, because if I give you the choice for unmute to all the students, it's make a trouble for me, and it's make a trouble to all the students who they want to see. Or I would just say one by one. I will mute one by one the one who want to ask me a question, right? So I wish you, hopefully I will see you tomorrow in the next class, and please come to join the class with your full name. Otherwise, I will not allow you to sit in to join that online class, okay? Sir, when will be the next class? The next class will be tomorrow, 12 o'clock as per the time, right? So there is some student out of the city, they have the internet connection problem, so they can follow the lecture, they can do it later when they have the time. Anyone else, any questions? Because it's almost the end of the lectures, right, for the today. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Stay with me. I'm very happy there is.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
सर एक जो है ना वो हमारी क्लास का सर वो है लड़का सर, उसने कहा कि जो है ना सर वो कश्मीर में
Okay. You know, Toya, if you will in the same, you will play the phone again. I will kick out you from the group, right? So I can see 2 times that you are making a noise in the group. Okay, so I'm going to remove you from the classroom for today. So anyone else who will do that, I will remove from the classroom. So one of our group mate is in Kashmir for, so yes, sir, do that. Okay. So what's the problem what is the problem? Okay, for the student who they have a problem for the internet, please just, their group members can write me an email. I will have a look on it, right? Yes, Terim Sabah, I will explain according to the slides for the lectures, but I believe that you people already read that slide, but it is okay for as per today. I just give you the general understanding for the literature review for the tomorrow, how to write the literature review, that I would follow the as per the template that the slide that I already give to you, right? Yes, we almost done with the lecture. So if there is no any more query from my side, you are free to leave the group. The students who they are in the village and they have the internet problem, right? So they can later they can inform their their friends, and they write us an email. We will have a look on it, or they can make a call, right? Any more queries? Tomorrow lecture we are going to, sir, in tomorrow lecture what we are going to study, we at Tehreem, in tomorrow lecture we will cover the template. We will have a look how to write the literature review. We will have a look how to do the abstract, and we will have a look at how to extend the literature review. That's what we will cover from the tomorrow lectures. Any more question? Summary, please. Okay, summary. Okay. Assignment is in the group. It's not individual assignment. It's all the assignments based in a group, right? So the students who they don't have the internet, if one of the group member is working, so it is acceptable. One thing, let me tell you, the screen in the lecture is recording, so maybe later if the students they're making a problem, they will be called for the explanation. So be careful while you are speaking when you are writing in the group. Galaxy 110, please come up in the group with full name, then I will add you in the Google Classroom, and as well I will allow you in the group, because without full name we are not allowed the student to come in the chat room. Okay. दुआ आप भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा how to use the thematic model, right? You need to download the closure articles with your topics, and then you need to you need to decompose your topics into subtitles or subtopics, and then you need to use your own logic to connect all these titles together. That's what it will give you how to write the thematic model. It is a decomposition of step-by-step writing one paragraph. That's what we call it theoretical model, right? So Dua, are you clear about it, about the model? Okay, thank you so much for staying with me for the today class, and I hope in the next class I will not allow you anyone to do, right? Okay, thank you so much.